In this video I'm going to show you how to install Mimaki Rasterlink 7 on your Windows computer. Now first of all, Mimaki Rasterlink 7 is only Windows compatible and would recommend to use a good power computer, so we're talking i5 processor with at least 8 gig of RAM and at least about 500 gigabyte hard drive. The hard drive space is the most important, as is our RAM. So once we've got that sorted, we now need to get our software downloaded. Now the good thing about Mimaki is that all software is available on their website. So all you do is you go to your mimaki.com, we go to download, and then we'll see at the bottom we've got software. So we've got Rasterlink 7, 6 Plus, 6, and even the Rasterlink 5's there as well. So we're going to go for Rasterlink 7. I'm going to choose the latest version, which is the full installer here. And I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go down to the download button. Once I've got it downloaded, we'll then find it in our downloads folder on our computer. So Mimaki Rasterlink 7, there it is. I'm going to double click on that, and then that's going to start the process off. There we go. So I'm going to say yes to this, and then it's going to ask me the language, so I'm going to say English. I'm going to say install on this next bit, so install. There we go. So it's saying that it might not work properly on this, but that's okay, so I'm going to press OK. Next. I accept. Next. This is its install location, so if we'd like it to go onto a bigger drive, onto another drive, we can change it here. I'm going to say yes, that's fine. Press next, and I'm probably going to press install now. So this is the main installation process. There we go. So once that's finished, we can just press finish. So that is our software actually fully installed. All we'd need to do now is we'd need to actually license our software. So we go to all apps. We'd go down to our new Mimaki Rasterlink folder, which is there. And we would go to license. And then we can go to activate. So you'd find your license key in your Rasterlink box. You'd input that, you'd input your company name and details, and then you'd press next. Once that's done, your Rasterlink is now ready to use. The next step that we would say to do is to install profiles for your applicable printer, and also install your Mimaki driver as well. Once you've done that, you're ready to install your printer and use Rasterlink 7.